Quitting from Bukit Batok MRT area, I'm walking to cross the traffic light first, the guan side. I'm just a bit scared. The bus don't give way. You have to wait for the next traffic light. So Bukit Batok is a nice bustling neighborhood with a mall called the West Mall, and it's along the north-south red color line. It's also very near the guan area and Jurong East area. You can just walk about maybe 800 meters to bus stop, the distance of 2 bus stops, and you reach the other side. If you're adventurous enough, you can walk to the next MRT stop, Jurong East, which is about more than 1 kilometer away. But it's good exercise, sometimes if you have just eaten food after a meal, then why not, right? Then on the left side, right, is that the HDB public housing of Singapore. That is the Bukit Batok area, and opposite as well, there are actually quite a lot of housing, public housing here. But you know what? I think this area a bit dark. That's my only complaint. You see, because of the trees, the plants, and whatever, the lights here can be changed to bright white to make things, to make the pedestrians and the commuters feel safer. So I'm walking. By the way, Singapore HDB just launched the BTO in February, and more than 19,000 flats will be offered. There are even subsidies for families and singles. But it's not easy, to get it, because it's not like confirm apply, confirm get. You have to have a chance taken, like a lucky draw. You apply, you give a $10 application fee for the HDB for the balloting, right? Then you make about maybe 2 to 3 months to get a result. And it actually depends on how many units available versus how many people apply. Let's say, for example, there are only 100 units available, right? 1,000 people applying. It means you have a 1 in 10 chance of getting the flat is 10%. It's really low, right? But it's still better than nothing, because it's a cheap way to get a new flat with 99 years lease, compared to buying resale flat, which has less than about 50 years lease left, and it's more expensive. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this place is actually quite dark. I mean, really something should be done over here, and opposite as well. If there are no street lamps, that's it, man. With the use of torchlight, but that will not happen. So basically, sometimes you can see, okay, here the subway, the MRT going past by here. And guess what? There's a swimming pool here nearby, Bukit Batok swimming pool. It's just go straight and then turn left, and across a little road. Bukit Batok Green, they call it. But that swimming pool is that direction on the left side. Bukit Batok East Avenue 6. Bukit Batok Avenue 1. On the right side, right, there's another McDonald's. The traffic light here is a bit long, but no choice, man. They don't want to jaywalk. So the only way is to wait a while. In Singapore, less motorbikes than cars. The residents here like to take like to drive cars instead of taking bikes. Girls are willing to walk this path. They're actually quite brave. For the first time, if they're walking along this area, you just feel that it's so dark compared to other parts of Singapore. There's Hougang, Sengkang, Punggol, Toa Payoh, Ang Mo Kio, Tampines area. Oh, here is even darker, man. You wonder why they're so dark, right? Because there's not enough the street lamps. There's one there, the other one, but maybe because of the trees. Sometimes with the cyclists coming, cycling so fast, You have to siam, you know. You have to look carefully in front any cyclist or from behind. But I normally walk on the Bukit Batok MRT because I want to exercise a bit. You know, if you just sit and stand and sit, right? Your body will become used to it and then you get lazy. It's just like, here comes a bike. It's just like you don't want to exercise. Here comes another train. Now, we reach another Bukit Batok area where HDB are. Manian Daji, Happy Chinese New Year. This is Bukit Batok GRC and Jurong East, Mr. Murali P Line. 296A Bukit Batok Street 22. Hey, there's a nice new restaurant or something, plant-based cuisine. It's a vegetarian, man. Hey, it looks nice. A couple of months that I was here, I didn't see it. No, I'm going to cross the bridge. But before that, let me show you guys the road sign, the green one. Jurong East Central and Bukit Batok Avenue 1. So that's where I came from, Bukit Batok, and this side, right, is towards Jurong East and the Guan area. So let's go. Now from here on, right, you'll be kind of rough walk. But firstly, the pavement is not so smooth. Secondly, the space is a bit narrow, so sometimes you get cyclists from behind, you have to let them go first or from the opposite direction. I see some people, you know, they're just chilling out at the upper level. So maybe they are still in the CNY mood. And there are some nice condo opposite. This area you can see the traffic. Most of the traffic, the cars or motorbikes are traveling at higher speed than they should be, you know. You can see the MRT railway track from here. And some construction work in front, which has been ongoing for the past years. And if you're lucky, you can see the Bangladesh workers. Actually, there are 3 of them. Like eating and snacking below. Not sure you guys see it. There's even Bangladesh on top of the MRT railway track, man. I just saw some people moving on top. So on the left side is the guan, right side is Jurong East. So once I come here, I feel safer because the route, the pavement is broader, right? Wider. Now there's a worker there, and then one on top. Must be dangerous. Hope they are safe. Need to climb up the steep staircase up and down. Here we are, the Guan area on the left side. The Guan area HDB, right, was built somewhere in the 1990s. Quite a relatively new HDB estate. That makes it about over 30 years old this year. You know, this year 2026, right? There's a kopitiam, coffee shop there. I think Singapore should have reinvented the rule, man. And the coffee shop stay later until 11:30. But then once again, the later they stay, right, there's more chance for people to make trouble. There's a pro and cons of both sides. If they close early, then people like me who want to eat supper, right, you have to go and buy from other places, or have to buy earlier or eat outside first before come back. before return home. Welcome to our town. Pedestrian footpath. There are always a lot of cyclists coming here, traveling along this path, especially from certain countries. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this tour of Guan. I mean from Bukit Batok to Guan. Hope you guys enjoy and take care everyone. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.